The success of a world-first drug developed in Adelaide for people with a rare genetic disorder is helping to accelerate new studies into similar conditions. More than $100 million has been generated through royalties from the drug, much of which is going into the new research.
If it wasn't for a groundbreaking South Australian discovery, Bowen Oliver would never have been able to do this. For the past 10 years, he's been taking a drug, Naglazyme, which was developed in Adelaide for Maritolami syndrome.
It has been extraordinary. So the drug has practically started to reverse the impacts that the disease has had on my life.
Maritolami syndrome is a progressive genetic disorder which attacks the skeletal system, inhibiting mobility.
What we have done is actually identified the gene that was involved in causing this disease when it's deficient, and then to make a drug from that gene, a protein, and put that protein back into the patient.
Before the treatment, Bowen Oliver's future consisted of wheelchairs and carers. Now it's cars and careers. He's got his driver's licence and he's studying politics at university with an eye on public office. Since 2005, Naglazyme has been available worldwide, providing new possibilities for people with the disorder. But in that time, it's also reaped $100 million in royalties, creating new research possibilities too.
So a third goes back to the original inventor of the product. A third goes to the institution in which that person works. And then a third comes into our general health and medical research fund within SA Health.
The Naglazyme royalties are helping to fund research in Adelaide into related disorders.
It's a really life-saving type of activity that we need to be going as fast as we can. And so these royalty payments are very necessary to make this happen.
Professor Hopwood is also working on an early detection test for Maritolami syndrome. Rebecca Bryce, ABC News, Adelaide.